When someone tells you something hard and honest, do you respond with anger or with love?
Yeah.
Because Grandma showed us love is always bigger than a mistake.
Lily taught us something very important this week, friends, something we should not forget. The truth is scary sometimes, but a lie is like carrying a rock every day.
I'm so glad we could all be together tonight. Look at them, they're so happy. He's purring so loud.
Can we have cookies now? Is the crying part over?
I saw that. Cookies are ready?
I will never lie again, Grandma. I promise.
I believe you, because you told the truth even when it was hard. The vase was beautiful, but you, Lily, are more beautiful, and I love you so much more. Only good people feel that way when they do something wrong. That terrible, heavy feeling, that is your heart telling you who you really are. Seeing your face all week, so
What do you
quiet,
mean?
so sad, so heavy.
I felt so guilty, Grandma. It felt terrible inside.
I was a little sad about the vase.
But do you know what made me sadder?
What?
Oh, my dear. Oh, my sweet little girl.
Are you not angry?
Oh, darling, come here.
Grandma. Grandma, it was not Max who broke your vase. It was me. I reached up. Max scared me. It fell. Grandma, can I talk to you? Just the two of us?
Of course, my little flower. Come sit with me. You know, I really miss Grandma's tea. It was the best.
Oh, it's you. Come here, my dears.
Because Grandma loves you. That does not just go away.
It is going to be okay. I promise. How do you know? Are you nervous? Very nervous.
Almost there, kids. Look, Lily, isn't that it?
I see it.
You're safe now, honey.
We're all here together.
I do not want to lie ever again. It hurts too much.
That is one of the most important things a person can learn. Then we will be there for that too. Then we will be there with her and with you.
What if she is very angry?
We will go together. Tomorrow.
What if she cries?
What do you think, Lily?
Yes. I have to tell Grandma. She deserves the truth.
Because telling the truth when it is scary, that is very brave.
I have to tell Grandma, don't I?
I am a little sad about the lie, but I am very proud of your truth.
How can you be proud? I did something bad.
Thank you for telling me the truth, Lily.
Are you very angry at me?
I broke Grandma's vase, Daddy. It was me, not Max. I was scared and I lied. And I am so sorry.
I have something important to tell you.
Hey, what is happening?
Lily has something she wants to tell you.
Lily? What happened?
She had a tough day at school.
I'm here now.
You. You are more important than any vase in the world.
Lily,
You know what is more important than any vase?
What?
Grandma will never hate you. Not in a million years.
She loved that vase. It was her mommy's vase. And I broke it.
I know. But you are telling the truth now. That is what matters.
Grandma is gonna hate me.
It is okay. You are okay.
I am not okay. I lied. I lied to Grandma.
It's all right, sweetheart. You're okay now. I'm here. Just let it out. And you told us it was Max. I was so scared, Mommy. I was so scared. I did not want Grandma to be sad.
I was looking at the vase. It was so beautiful. I reached up, and Max jumped and scared me, and I knocked it. It was an accident. I broke it, Mommy. It was me, not Max.
Can you tell me what happened? I am not angry. I just need to hear the truth from you. I think I know what happened with the vase. Lily, sweetheart, I need you to look at me. I understand. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Lily, let's talk about it.
Lily, Grandma wants to speak with you. I cannot, Mommy. Not right now.
Okay, I'll tell her. Love you. Bye. Here, Lily, it's for you.
Hello?
It's like finding a penny on a lucky day, right?
Yeah. Were you not scared to tell the truth? Yeah, super scared. But lying feels worse. Like homework you never did.
What did you do?
I told her right away. It was scary.
But she was not even that mad.
Liam, do you ever do something wrong by accident? All the time. Remember when I broke Mom's phone case? Why are you sitting outside? It is cold. I needed some air.
The truth is always waiting for you when you are ready. Sleep well, my love.
You too.
Even then, talking about it makes the rock feel smaller.
I do not want to talk about it. Not yet.
It feels like a heavy rock. Right here.
What if the thing is really bad?
Sometimes when we do something wrong, it stays inside our chest.
What do you mean?
Lily, I am your dad.
I always know when something is wrong.
You have not been yourself this week. Not at dinner. Not after school.
I am fine, Daddy.
I want to talk to you. Just us two.
Okay.
Lily, are you awake?
Daddy,
That is 3 dinners now. Are you okay?
I am fine, Daddy. I am just not hungry.
Lily, you have not touched your food.
I am not hungry.
Oh, speaking of Grandma, I saw this old picture today. Remember when she used to? Oh. What did you draw?
I drew our family. And Max. And Grandma. And then my teacher said my drawing was the best in the class.
That is wonderful, buddy. We are proud of you.
Are you okay? You look weird.
I am fine. I said I am fine.
Lily, why are you not eating your sandwich? I am not hungry.
The quadratic equation defines
On.
The parabola's trajectory. No fever. But you do look sad. What is wrong?
Nothing. I said I am just tired.
You feel warm, Lily. We should take your temperature.
Okay, Mom.
Lily, sweetheart, why are you so quiet?
I am just tired, Mommy.
And they all lived happily ever after.
It is not your fault. I am sorry, Grandma. I am really sorry.
It is not your fault, sweetheart. These things happen. Some things cannot be fixed. That is okay too.
Maybe. We'll see.
It is okay. He did not know.
I am so sorry. We will try to fix it.
Bad dog, Max. That was a very bad thing to do.
Max was running. He jumped up. He knocked the vase off the shelf. I tried to stop him, but I could not. Oh no, the vase. Grandma, I am so sorry.
What happened, Lily? Tell us exactly.
Oh no! The vase! It's broken.
Mommy! Daddy! Come quick!
Max broke Grandma's vase.
I saw it! It's in the backyard! A huge monster!
You don't know what you've done. You have no idea. Liam, lunch is ready. Bark, bark, bark!
Gasp.
Time for dinner!
Let's go.
Hurry up, guys. Coming. Wait for me.
Yes, Liam. Much older than me.
Lunch is ready, everyone.
It was my mother's. It is 100 years old.
Wow. 100 years? That is older than you, Grandma.
There. Perfect. Now the room looks beautiful.
It is so pretty, Grandma. I love the flowers on it.
Oh, I missed you too, my little flower.
Look what Grandma brought.
2 teeth. You are growing so fast, my dear boy.
I missed you, Grandma, so much.
Oh my goodness. Look how big you children are.
Grandma, I lost 2 teeth since you came last time. Grandma,
Look who's here.
we missed you so much.
Hello, my dears.
How was your trip?
Wonderful and so good to see you all.
Today is going to be a perfect day. I can feel it.
Yes, a perfect day. These are the best pancakes.
Oh, thank you.
Can I have some more? Of course, sweetie.
Most of the time. I will be super careful. I promise, Mommy. I will be careful. I am always careful.
Are you?
That vase is very important to Grandma. It is very special.
It was her mother's vase. Please, everyone, be careful.
It is a beautiful pot for flowers. It is very old.
I know that vase. It is the blue one with flowers. Grandma called last night. She is bringing her special vase. What vase? What is a vase? Dad, can I help Grandma make cookies today?
That is a great idea, Lily. She will love that.
Max just smells the pancakes, buddy.
Sit down, everyone.
Max knows too. Look at him go.
I love Grandma so much. She smells like cookies.
She does smell like cookies. You are right.
Grandma? Really? Today?
Yes, sweetheart. Today is a special day.
Oh my. Wow. Why is Liam so loud in the morning? Lily! Grandma is coming today. Wake up! Huh? What's going on? Grandma! Grandma is coming! Dad, is Grandma coming today? Is she?
Yes, Liam. Grandma arrives at noon.
Is it Saturday? I think it is Saturday.
Good morning to you too, buddy.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Check this out.
I already cleaned the living room. Everything looks perfect. Grandma is coming today. I am so excited.
Me too. The kids are gonna be so
So happy. You are impossible, you know that?
impossibly handsome. Yes, I know.
James, you say that every single morning.
And every morning, I am correct, my love.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, world.